Alright, so here's all the track pieces. There's the control and there's the power supply, and there is the train and the rolling stock. However, though, there's a bit of a bad news, of course. As you can see, I have my other control and my other power supply out. The reason being, as annoyingly, we are missing the cable that's meant to plug from the controller to the track. So, because we're missing that, this controller can't be used, which I'm a bit annoyed about. But all in all, it's not too bad. The track and all that should work. It shouldn't have no effect on the train. But yeah, there you go. So even in the train set, yeah, some parts missing. But the good thing is, my mum will ring up the guy later on maybe, and he said that he said he doesn't mind to like take parts out like of a train set if we need it or something like that. So all in all, I mean, it's pretty much the same control anyway, just a bit different like with Bachmann and all that. But anyway, that's not going to stop me from obviously playing with it. So anyway, I'll set this track up and then we'll let this new engine run in. See you then. Alright, as you can see, the train is now on the track. I'm going to let her run in for about half an hour. I'm going to get a time on my computer ready to set it up. So, right, let's take her away. I'll get some camera shots of her, and then we'll see her hauling with her carriages. Alright, see you in a minute. Alright, as you can see, it only really has 20 seconds left to run in, going forwards, and then we are going to be going backwards. It's not too much longer now. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, let's start. Get that ready. Okay. Let's slow it down now. Right, time for reverse. I'll start the timer and then I'll get a few camera shots. I'll tell you one thing, ladies and gentlemen, for a train set that's probably nearly 12 years old, not exactly how old it is, I might look that up later, but anyway, for how old it is, it's still a very fun train set, I will admit. I mean, the train looks very nice, the carriages are very nice. After when it's warmed up, then that's when we'll obviously have the carriages. And then after that, that's going to be the video for the outback hauler. But it's going to be another video about the party that we're going to be having, so that'll be fun. But that probably won't be uploaded until tomorrow. So anyway, this will be the last time that you will watch this train run in, and then after that we'll have its wagons on, and then we'll call the video. So, see you then. Alright, in about 30 minutes now. Alright, let's put it in the camera a little bit more. Okay, so it has now finally finished running in. Now it is time to put its rolling stock on, and then we'll have a few camera shots of that, and then that can be the end of the video. So let me get them. There we go. Now later on I am thinking about putting some detail on them. I'm not sure when, but there might be another video later on where I have the detail on the freight cars, and then we can have a little bit of fun looking at the detail. Just blowing off all the hair. Right. Something on properly. Alright, so just quickly, here is our train. So now let's let her run what she was meant to do. Hong Kong. Alright, let's get some good camera shots. Alright, I'll slow it down. There we go. So, that is the Outback hauler, friends. I hope you guys enjoyed. I surely am very happy to get this train set, and surely very happy to get on YouTube when it does. Now, this other YouTuber that will be doing it, his name is 4P16. He's going to be opening around April. You should go subscribe to him. He's only got 10 subscribers, so let's see if we can get him up to about 30 or even 50 subscribers by the end of this week. So, because he's a really great kid, he deserves the love and support. I tell you what, he definitely does some pretty good videos, and I will admit he definitely does way better videos than me. But you should go subscribe to him, because around April it'll be his birthday, and he will be getting this Outback Hauler train set, which will be very cool. Now, one of my favourite parts about this engine is this part, and that's probably one of the main reasons why I liked it, because it had that type of cool scheme, and I also like the little exhaust fumes. Now, the number on the train is number 5830, so 5630. So yeah, it did have a front light and a back light, and of course these are the hoppers. Now, I do have some pictures of these hoppers and the engine, because if we look very closely, it has a little name or little number. Now, every single one of these freight carriages will have that. They'll have different numbers though, so that's the cool thing. Now, what I mean by licenses about these, apparently what makes this train set so special is that apparently the company that was going to make this actually had to get license to put these stickers on these coal hoppers to make it realistic. So that's what. So the most special part about the train set is, believe it or not, is actually the freight carriages. So that's actually quite a funny thing. Oh no, and I forgot to tell you that this is actually my first ever 6-axle locomotive. All the trains I have has only got like 2 sets of wheels, so only 2 axles. But this one has 6 on each side, so it's got 12 axles. It's a 12-wheel drive. So the good thing is that it should have a lot of traction, so that means I can make it carry quite a heavy train. But I'm also not going to put like 30 carriages on it. Heck no, that's way too much. But anyway, I'm going to be putting some details on these carriages probably sometime soon. And now that this Outback Hauler train set is now complete, I am probably going to have a video about me on my going to a party, and yes, we're going to be celebrating my birthday party, so that might be a video either coming up late tonight or tomorrow. Whatever the case, after that party one, that's when we're going to have a vote on this Warrnambool to Southern Cross map in Trains in New Era. You'll understand what I mean when that comes up. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Before this video ends, I do have some pictures, so enjoy them. Alright, thank you.